Today we're going to announce the winner of the DS-18 giveaway and tell you about this month's giveaway going on now. Parts Express regularly stocks brand new products all the time. On our homepage, we have a link that will take you directly to a long list of shiny new gear. This includes subwoofers like the Max X line and amplifiers like the HTA50BT. Let's take a look at them. Dayton Audio has had many influential subwoofer lines in the past, and now they are introducing yet another. The Max X subwoofers are designed to punch above their weight class. These things offer incredible low frequency extension and high SPL. Available in 10, 12, and 15-inch sizes, they're ideal for home subwoofer designs and high-impact car audio systems. Tube amps always draw eyes, but what really makes them special is the warmth and character of the sound they produce. Now Dayton Audio can offer you all that plus the modern convenience of inputs like USB and Bluetooth. There's a 20 watt, a 50 watt, and a 100 watt version available, so pick the one that's right for you and enjoy tube warmth and wireless audio at the same time. A big shopping spree from DS-18 is on the way for one lucky person drawn from a long list of entries. And $500 worth of gear is going to you, Eric C. from Boise, Idaho. Congratulations, Eric. We're going to be in touch soon. Now, earlier we mentioned the new line of Dayton Audio subwoofers, and we are so excited that they're here. We asked Dayton Audio if we could give one away, and they said sure. Why not two? So enter now for your chance to win a 15-inch Max X subwoofer. So this month, your odds of winning are now double. Thank you, Dayton Audio, for the giveaway, and good luck to everyone who enters. We'll see you next month.